Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers and in PDF and in written form. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us. And for this, you can contact for any other help also. For the question number 6, the question is we get most of the information about the surrounding world through our eyes. But as you know, an unaided eye has limitations. Objects which are too far, like stars, planets, etc., appear so small that we are unable to see their details. Similarly, objects which are too small, pollen grains, bacteria, viruses, etc., remain invisible to the unaided eyes. How can we see very minute and very distant objects? The spatial devices meant for this purpose are called optical instruments. First is name optical instruments which are used to see very minute objects like pollen grains, bacteria, viruses, etc. Draw a ray diagram to show the information of images by such a device. Name the optical instruments that are used to be see very distant objects like stars, planets, etc. Designed using a pair of suitable draw diagram to show the formation of images by such a device. Question number 3 is given here, and you have to explain your answer in your words. So we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly with your satisfaction. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.